Hello, and welcome to Day in the Life of a College Student during summertime who has to take classes. Hello, and welcome to the Day in Life of a College Student during summertime who's taking summer classes. Right now, I'm at the library and it is currently 8:01 a.m. So, this is what I need to do today. I need to take an exam, and then I need to do 2 virtual labs. I'll be here for about 4 or 5 hours, and then afterwards, get ready for my birthday. So, right now, we're just gonna set up. So, time lapse. So I got everything set up. I got my biology up on the screen. How nice is it to be able to see what you're doing on a large screen? This is my form of television entertainment, biology. Help. So right now I have to do a review for my biology exam. I already reviewed the module 1. Module 2 is the one I've been procrastinating, which is how atoms work, molecules, interactions, which, by the way, I'm a chemistry major, so this should be review, but I literally forgot everything, so this is going to be a long review. And then this exam has 50 questions in 60 minutes, and no notes, no nothing, so it's 25 module 1, 25 module 2. I don't like biology with a passion, so this is gonna be fun. So I'll just do a little time lapse of me studying, and then I'll catch up with you when I do a break. I'm taking a break now. I finished 4 sections of 2.1. Module 2.1. I think this goes up to module 2.6, 2.5. I'm not ready for this exam. Granted, it's only 8:36 a.m. and I have to take it before 10. But oh my gosh. Literally, look at what I wrote. Like, the last time I saw this stuff was in Gen Chem. I'm gonna take a 15-minute break and I'll come back. It'll probably be a shorter break because I want to get this all done with, but I'll update you when I'm back. Alright, I'm back from my break. More like I just sat here and stared in silence. It is 9 a.m. You can see it's also surprisingly 81 degrees. It was cloudy when I got here to the library. Later on, I think it's gonna be like 95. So that's exciting. So we need to get through module 2.1. Let's look together. So each module has a section. So module 1 has 4, 2 has 3, 3 has 3, 4 has 4, 5 has 1. I've been told going through the digits, I will be okay on the exam. It is currently 10:02. I just finished module 2.2. I have to get to 2.3, 2.4, 2.5. What do you think of my shirt? It says 50% air, 50% water. Technically, the glass is completely full. I'm not a nerd. Module 2 is proteins. So I literally just went over like how atoms and molecules, and I just reviewed nonpolar versus polar covalent bonds. Like, I swear, I know the difference when I look at it, but if you ask me to define them, I don't know what it is. like what makes up protein, so monomer, polymer, amino acid, peptide, peptide bond, then what is the protein. So fun fact, I took biochem for biology. It wasn't the greatest idea because I got lost in biochem, but I understood the chemistry component because I love chemistry, that's why I'm a chemistry major. No sane person would take chemistry for fun unless they knew what they were doing. Experimenting. I might go walk around for about 10 minutes around the library. You get to come with me. So awkward, oh my gosh. But I went on a walk, and originally this is not the room I'm supposed to be in. I reserved in the lower levels, but I'm in the the concourse level. Lower level is one more, but truth be told, I got lost around 2.3, 2.4, 2.5 when I take this exam. It is currently 11:20, 11:19, but I'll say 11:20, and I'm done studying because I just need to take this exam because I don't have enough time anymore. I have to go. I have to scooter. So let's get ready. Alright, so we're going to log into Lockdown browser. I need my college ID. I'm gonna have my actual ID. We're allowed one sheet of paper and a pencil. This one. Someone left this in a practice room. I just grabbed it. I'm gonna have to put my phone away soon. Let's see, password. Does anyone else have to do the dual push? It ended the video to do the dual push. I finished my exam! That's exam 1. If I can get an A or a B on the rest of my exams, I don't have to take the final. I got high hopes after this first exam. Now I actually have to do the labs. I got a scooter in about 15 minutes. So I'm just gonna do whatever for the next 15 minutes. Well, that is a day in the life of a college student. Not really day in the life, it's just like the first half of the day. But now I'm gonna have fun. I'm just kidding, no. I still have lab to do, virtual lab, but I'm gonna go get lunch. Thanks for watching. Bye.